Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ground beef nachos. Start by browning 1 pound of ground beef in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once it's fully cooked, make sure to drain any excess fat. This crucial step prevents your nachos from becoming greasy and ensures a crispier texture. Next, season the beef generously with about 2 tablespoons of your favorite taco seasoning, stirring it in well to infuse every bite with delicious, authentic flavor. Now, let's build those perfect nachos. Begin by spreading a single layer of sturdy tortilla chips across a large baking sheet. This ensures every chip gets some topping love. Next, sprinkle a generous amount of shredded cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese over the chips. Finally, distribute your perfectly seasoned ground beef evenly across the cheese layer, making sure to cover as many chips as possible. It's time to get those nachos golden and gooey. Pop your baking sheet into an oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is beautifully melted and bubbly and the chips are slightly crispy. Once out of the oven, immediately garnish with your favorite fresh toppings such as sliced jalapenos, a dollop of sour cream, and a spoonful of fresh salsa. Your incredible ground beef nachos are ready to be devoured. Serve them immediately, right off the baking sheet, while the cheese is still wonderfully warm and gooey. For an extra touch, you can offer additional toppings like guacamole, chopped onions, or cilantro on the side, allowing everyone to customize their perfect bite. Get ready to savor every single delicious, cheesy, and meaty mouthful.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.